Hey, what's up, students? Let's do the fictitious factory. Factor each binomial. So here's what we're trying to do, friends. We're trying to take out the most from each of the first and the second items without making a mess. Okay. So basically, you ask yourself, what do the two pieces have in common? Again, it's a binomial. So there's two pieces. There's a 15x and a 6. What's the most that can go into a 15 and a 6? I think 3. So watch this. So I'm going to take out a 3. Okay, so what's left over? A 5x would be left plus a 2. Okay, now this is factored form. Factored form means you put the number that you took out in front to kind of let people know what you did. What did you do? Oh, I took this 3 out of this group. We've come full circle. This is actually also known as reverse distribution, because look at this problem. This looks like a distribution problem, distributive problem. 3 times u, if you multiplied that, guess what happened? It would turn right back into the original question. My arrow is not pointing that way. There we go. Turns back into the original question. Oh, 15x plus 6, take out a 3. Oh, 3 times 5x plus 2, put in the 3, take it out, put it in, take it out, put it in, blah, 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 blah. Round, round we go. Okay? So we're reverse distributing, okay? Also known as factoring. We're taking things back out as much as possible. 3 is the most we could take out. If we try to take out like a 5, 6 divided by 5 is not going to be pretty. That's going to be a decimal. We don't want that. We don't want ugly fractions or decimals. 3 is the most we could take out. So find your GCF, take it out, put the GCF times the stuff. So the general form in factored form is you do GCF out in front, and then I call it the remains. Okay. After you took out the GCF, this is what remains. So factored form always looks like that. Here we go. Next one, we have a 13x squared plus an 8x. 13 and 8, odd and even. I'm not going to get anything out of that. Oh, I could take out this extra x. All right, you see that? So what did I take out? I took out an x. What's left over when I take out the x? I'm pulling it back. This is passing it along. Now I'm pulling it back. 13x plus an 8. Okay, see that? If they just have a variable in common, then yank that variable out. If they just have a number in common, like 3, then you take that variable out. Take it out by division. Again, reverse distribution is dividing, because distributing is multiplication. Again, if you multiply this times this and this times this, guess what would happen? You turn right back into this guy, and then around and around we go. All right, so that's how you factor a simple binomial. You take out as much as possible, and then you write it in factored form. Factored form. All right, cool. See you in class? Now, I'll see you on my email for now. All right, cool.